Okay, so the first things we do is we put all the lines on a common point. So I do that like this. And like this. Get them on a carabiner like that. Get them all cinched up like that so they can have a little bit of tension put on them. And then we're going to move out to the bar and shoot the video the other way. Next step is to set the depower strap at full power. Just put that right there. And then we can check the lines. So what we're trying to do is we're checking to see whether the shape of the line is the same. So the arc, as we push the bar away, you see the arc drops on the back lines. Okay, can you see that's on full power? And then we need to just put a little tension on the front lines so that the depower strap is at full power. So pull the front lines a little bit, and then you'll see that the back lines are under a lot more tension. In order to match the arc, you've got to depower the bar about that amount. So the front lines are too long by that amount. So you can either replace the front lines, you can depower the kite a little bit to match that. So I've depowered the kite a little bit. And now the arcs match. Pretty well. Maybe I need depowered another inch. Like that. So it looks like my front lines are stretched about 6 or 7 inches, maybe 8 inches there. You can see how the arc is very sensitive to the position of the bar. So I like to use the arc to tell me exactly where the right line lengths are. At 16 millimeters of stretch in those front lines. In order to get the arcs to match. So we can either shorten the front lines, pull the depower strap obviously, or replace the front lines. Okay, so decided I'm going to change the front lines. So you're going to need a pack of Slingshot genuine 800-pound front lines, and you're going to need to basically take apart this, which is a little bit slow. Don't lose this little piece. Okay. And in order to do that, you actually have to just pick it apart. Don't let the wind blow it away. Okay, we're good. Okay, put that there. And pull that out of there. And this one, you've actually got to feed the line down from the end. So we just got to run up to the top there and get that line free. Okay, so pull this down through here. You got to pull the whole length of the line through. We're going to have to take the pigtails off before we try and get it through that. Mine looks like it's in great shape. Now, getting this pigtail off is going to be no easy task, that's for sure. I'm going to shut the camera off. Trying to get this open. Just a couple more pulls here. The other way to do it is to do it from the bungee end. Okay, that comes off there. And then hopefully we'll be able to get that through there. I think we will. Not going to be easy though. There we go. Okay. And then we can there we go. Just got to pull that through. And then to put it back together, we just have to do the reverse. Okay, pull that off like that, and we're good and free of both lines. Stretch the front lines out next, and we'll put them back. Put the new front lines on. Okay, so now to put it back together, we went over like that, and then we pulled this through here. Pretty quick and simple, easy job. That. I'll just take this off so we can feed it through. Now, the feeding through is tricky. Okay, so insert the fish through the loop, and now one little trick here is that the fishing line has to go up from the inside. You don't want to wrap it around the posts or anything like that. And what we'll do is it's a little bit easier from the outside, but you got to get it up through the oh, it's fiddly. There we go. Up through there. Okay, hang on to the fish for later. And then just feed it through. twist out of there. And you're good to go. Okay, now we just got to do the other line. So for the second line here, we need to put the fish through here. Okay, for the second line, we need to put the fish through here. Push the fish down through the hole. This is pretty easy. Pull it through. Take the fish out. And simply get this on like that. And we're done. Now we can check the line lengths again. Same test. Basically, put the depower strap on full depower. Get some little tension on the front lines just to make sure the bungee's not affecting things. And then, sure enough, the back lines now are pretty much perfect. You want to just put maybe an inch of depower on the depower strap. And we have eliminated our too long front lines problem, and therefore the kite should stop to won't backstall anymore. Good.